Welcome to Guide 2 of the AI-assisted British Family History series. This video, Industrial Revolution Lives, focuses on researching working-class ancestors using artificial intelligence. A single line from an ancestor, Mary Ann Evans, tells a powerful story of precarity and financial anxiety. 3 weeks of steady work was a miracle, not a guarantee. This guide uses AI to recover the texture of daily survival for ancestors who left few records. Understanding the hierarchy of labor is key. Wages range significantly from skilled to unskilled labor. Identifying where your ancestor stood is the first step to grasping their reality and financial stability, or lack thereof. When researching, we must approach male industrial lives differently than female domestic lives. For women, the label wife on a census often obscures the reality of their work. Illiteracy, marked by an X on a marriage certificate, often implies a history of domestic service. We follow a 3-phase AI research workflow. Phase 1 is an occupational deep dive. Phase 2, household economics, calculates the math of survival. Phase 3 focuses on recovering the unrecorded to find hidden work and family struggles. Phase 1, contextualizing the job. Using an AI tool like Perplexity with a targeted prompt, we can transform a simple job title, like railway porter, into the lived experience of 12 to 14-hour shifts, modest wages, and high risks. Phase 2 is the math of survival. By prompting an AI tool like Claude with the wage and household size, we can analyze the reality. A single wage packet covered rent first, food second, and left little for other essentials, showing how close a family was to ruin. Phase 3, reading the silences. Working-class women's grief and labor were often unrecorded. By combining evidence, such as a letter mentioning, quote, 3 little ones, and demographic data from AI, we can infer the pain of infant mortality and recover these lost stories. Our case study, The Porter's Wife, Mary Ann, shows a story of upward mobility and resilience. Her informal income from sewing and, quote, invisible management skills were as vital to the family's survival as her husband's wages. Visual evidence and artifacts provide crucial economic indicators. Using an AI tool like Gemini, we can analyze photographs for details like clothing quality, visible mending, and bodies that show evidence of hard labor. Remember, absence is evidence. We must look beyond the census. Search trade unions and friendly societies for membership lists and sickness benefits. Newspapers and social notes can reveal workplace accidents, court cases, and charity appeals, providing rich context. Decoding the census entries is essential. Terms like scholar or lodgers indicate economic strategies. Lodgers was a common way to afford high rent. Living on own means in old age was a true triumph, as most worked until death. We must apply ethical standards to this research. Acknowledge the unknown, honor survival, and recognize constraints like illiteracy as a structural inequality. By celebrating agency, we are writing against silence. Our research toolkit includes archives like the TUC library collections and the British Newspaper Archive. We use AI roles like Perplexity for occupational data, Claude for household economic analysis, and Gemini for photo and artifact analysis. Our ancestors were more than just census entries. They were individuals navigating a transforming world. AI helps us read the lines, and empathy helps us read the silences. The series continues with guides on the world wars, parish records, and empire and migration.